Well, hello friends and welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be very interesting because we have this single horn here and this is a single clip, and we are going to install these horns here. These are trumpet horns with double clips. So there are two clips here and there are two outlet points here, but the company provided only one clip. So how do we do it? So stay tuned and watch the video to know how to install this. So it's very simple. First we need to detach this. So it's detached. So we have two outlet points here. So we'll take any one of them. Say if I have taken this point here, and the remaining one will connect it to the body. So that will be the earthing. So when we connect it, the horn will glow or it will blow. So let's see if this works or not. So now I'll ask someone to blow the horn and check whether the horn blows or not. So you can hear it. I am touching this here and let's check. So it's blowing. So now I'll just finish the installation. So what we have done is we've installed one horn here and it's well fit. So now where do we install this one? So I'm thinking that I'll be opening up this coolant tank, this one, and I'll be performing a desi jugaad and I'll be installing it here. So let's see if this works out or not. So friends, this was a total success. So we have installed this horn here and this horn here with the coolant tank. This is a claim. We have extended this claim, and so this horn sits somewhere here. And since this is the earthing, the neutral phase, so we have connected this here, and with the main wire this is connected here, and the horn is working perfectly. As you can hear it, it's perfect.